So the first thing you want to do when you're filming yourself is find a quiet area. No washroom machine, no music playing in the background, nobody pouring cereal, no dogs barking. You want to find somewhere that is clear and quiet for the most part. If you can't find a quiet area in your house, you can go outside. Just be wary of wind and traffic. You don't want to be too close to a main road or standing somewhere where it's very windy and you're cutting in and out. Most people don't have a mic to speak on, but as long as your phone is close enough to you and you're in a quiet area, you should be able to be picked up just fine. If your video is going somewhere other than Facebook or Instagram, consider shooting in landscape mode instead of vertical, so that it can be repurposed for YouTube or to be edited together into a larger video for people to watch. When holding the camera or the phone or placing the camera somewhere, you want to line it up so that you're at eye level, but you don't want to have too much headroom. So make sure you're filling the frame and that the camera's at eye level and you're not looking up or down, because nobody wants to see what's in your booger chamber. Number 3, lighting. Most people don't have professional lighting in their home, so what you want to do is orient yourself next to a light source. For the most natural looking video, you want to open up your windows and choose one to sit or stand next to so that it's coming in on your one side or the other. You don't want it directly in front of you or behind you, because the camera will struggle to pick that up and you'll either be dark or really bright. So you want a nice even balance where it's coming in from the side. Number 4, using your video. If you're going to be doing a video conference such as Zoom or going live on Instagram or Facebook, use those respective apps. If you want this video to be a message to your team, make sure you upload it to a shared folder where someone can take and edit those into a message. This could be used as a way to make everyone feel involved as well as everyone's voices being heard. Editing together a message from leaders can be very, very effective. You want everyone to have the best, most consistent quality of video that you possibly can using their cell phones. I hope this was helpful, and I hope this is going to enable you to be able to make better content, whether it be through video conferencing, live streaming, or sending out a message to those that need to hear it.